This video will demonstrate how to operate the S6 to GR1P, the 5th to 6th of February, KS with the Solis Cloud app after power on. Solis Cloud download and login. You can download Solis Cloud app by scanning the following QR code. Open the app. Click Register, select Organization or Owner and fill in the relevant information to register. After the registration is completed, log in to the backstage of Solis Cloud. Inverter Bluetooth connection. Log in app and go to the following overview page. Click Connect with Bluetooth. After successful connection, select the corresponding Bluetooth number and connect the corresponding inverter. When matching Bluetooth for the first time, you need to set the inverter password. After successful password setting, you can directly enter the subsequent setting page. Grid parameter setting. After the Bluetooth connection is successful, enter the interface. Click Setting in the lower right corner to enter the setting page. Click Grid parameter setting. The grid code is initially displayed as the default grid code. If you need to adjust the grid code, please click Grid Code to enter the country selection page and select the corresponding standard of the corresponding country. After selecting the grid code, the initial display of the grid code parameters for the default value, you can click on the parameter items for parameter modification. Working mode setting. Click Inverter Work Mode setting. The user can select the inverter working mode. When no selection is made, the inverter displays the corresponding default working mode according to the requirements of different grid codes. When you need to adjust and set the working mode according to the actual situation, you can click the corresponding mode setting to open and enter the setting of relevant parameters. EPM setting. Click EPM setting. You can select built-in EPM setting, external EPM setting, and CT setting. CT sensor mode. Click CT sensor mode and click Save to save the setting. You can adjust the relevant parameters in CT setting and CT link state to view the current CT connection status. The CT frequency and CT current direction can be adjusted. "24-hour monitoring mode." To enable 24-hour monitoring mode, go to the path Built-in EPM setting, Built-in EPM mode selection, CT mode monitoring mode, click Save to save the settings. This mode allows 24-hour monitoring of load power consumption data. Meter EPM and load monitoring mode. Click Meter in grid mode or Meter in load mode and click Save to save the settings. Meter is selected on the grid side or load side as appropriate. You can set the system export power limit value. You can turn bullet in EPM failsafe switch on or off, which is enabled by default. Different meters configured can be selected in the meter selection. G100V2 EPM setting. Click G100V2 control switch for off or turn on the meter on the grid side, or turn on the CT on the grid side. The G100V2 backflow current can be adjusted. Click G100V2 alarm clear to clear G100V2 alarms. After watching this video, please refer to the product manual for the full installation instructions.